You have a precision drill bit kit, color-coded, permanent drill bits from really small to a larger size. And you have a whole bunch of bags that gives you different bit sizes. And if you wanted to drill a hole, you can do so by going like so. And just be very careful. Whatever project you have that you need to get into making a hole for your project, these bits may be for you. Be careful on the amount of pressure you give, and they will do a good job. You have bits that are short, medium, and long, and you have, again, all these bits and replaceable bit heads. There's a lot you can do on the projects you have. Placing into the tool, slide it all the way down, lock it in, and gently make your hole. Bit does a great job for any hobby you're looking to make a hole. When all done, loosen up, take the bit, place it back in the holder. Great little toolkit to repair those circuit boards or whatever you need. And you get everything included with your drill bit kit.